class? Well, it's Wednesday, so there are some things due tonight, right? And a few of you came into the office hours yesterday. Nice to meet you. Remember, those office hours are not mandatory, but I'll be there to go over any confusion. As you can see on the right, there's a lot to do, but a lot of these are low stakes introductory discussions and self-made quizzes and things like that. So don't drop. Stay with us. You can do this. So next week we'll be getting into reading other people's arguments before you create your own arguments, right? So we're going to do the next couple weeks a reading, and I'm going to put you in groups too, so you can study groups to help each other, to see what other people are trying, what other writers are trying to get you to feel, see, think, change, act, right? Because everyone's writing for a reason. So tonight on the right hand side you'll see, right, all the assignments due, and hang in there and let me know if you need anything.